Ready to grab your slice of the Jupiter airdrop pie? First, make sure your Phantom wallet is unlocked and ready to go. You'll need a little solve for transaction fees, so double check you have some in your wallet. Now tap on the browser icon at the bottom of your Phantom wallet screen. This looks like a globe. Type in JPEG in the address bar and hit go. This will take you directly to the Jupiter platform. Once the page loads, look for the Connect Wallet button. It is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Phantom Wallet will then prompt you to grant permission to connect to Jupiter. Click Connect to authorize. If you are eligible, you will see a claim button. It will show you the amount you are able to claim. Click to claim your JUP tokens. Phantom Wallet will appear again. Carefully review the transaction details, making sure you understand the gas fees involved, and click Approve to confirm the transaction. Boom, you should see a confirmation message. Your JUP tokens are now in your Phantom Wallet. Give it a minute or two to show up. To see the JUP tokens in your wallet, scroll down and click Manage Token List. If you still don't see JUP in your wallet, you can manually add the token using the token address, which can be found on Jupiter's official documentation. All you have to do is paste the address into the search bar and select Add. Having trouble? Try again later, or adjust the slippage settings on Jupiter. Happy claiming and welcome to the Solana ecosystem.